Drops to Nolan in the centre circle here and he plays a nice ball out wide. And Almira has got well away from Payne. Almira into the penalty area. Has to check back because McCardle and Payne it back well. Plays it back to Jarvis. Jarvis, you're going to deliver across deep to the back post and down his header into the side net too. And it'll be a goal kick. Jarvis is up against Payne and Marathi. Wide left here but plays in field. Almira then crosses towards Carroll at the back post. Who heads West Ham into the lead. Nice play by West Ham, but Almira should have been more tight on that. Great cross. And Carroll was always going to beat Akin Shalira at the back post to head West Ham in front. Griffiths plays it in field for Coop. Coop now turns and plays it into Eaton. Eaton then sees the run from Coop. Coop into the area. Goes to the corner with his left foot and finds the corner. The response from potential champions as the Notties are instantly level. It's a wonderful 1-2 between Coop and Eaton. Great awareness by the two players and a wonderful curling effort to find the corner, and it is 1-1 at Upton Park. It's Reid with the long ball up towards Carroll, who gets up brilliantly and wins it. And then Jarvis plays the ball in. It's on towards Nolan, who turns away from McCardle. And Kevin Nolan fires it low to the corner to restore West Ham's lead. Nolan scores to put West Ham in front right on half-time. And it's a horrible time for the Notties to concede, especially after they've had such a decent first half. But they will go into the break trailing by 2-1. Carroll plays it up to Nolan. Nolan then plays it back for Nocerino. That's the ball over the top looking for Carroll. Into the area. Goes down another challenge and a penalty's been given. And it's going to be Kevin Nolan, the captain, up against Yasmin from the spot. Nolan, long run up and smashes it off the inner side of the bar and out. But he bounces over the line. And West Ham have doubled their lead. And FMFC's unbeaten run is in grave danger now as Nolan scores his second to make it 3-1. Griffith plays it up to Park now, and Park sees Coop in a bit of space down the left and finds him. There's a nice ball out wide by Brandon Park. Coop crosses in the middle looking for Park again, he's headed out and he finds Griffith who can drive. What a strike that was, but Adrian fingertips it round the post. Griffith plays it up for Park. West Ham have got to let him back, but the ball just about breaks for Brandon Park. He places it out wide. It's with Ballantyne now. Left side of the area. Crosses into the middle towards Eden, who wins the header. And FMFC right back in this. Eden scores to reduce the arrears to 1. Great cross from the left from Ballantyne and a good header by Eden. And all of a sudden there's life in this game at Upton Park. It's 3-2. And West Ham are looking to break here with Diame. He gives it Carroll. Carroll manages to get round one and his shot is blocked by Diame himself, but he comes for Diame on the left and he crosses to the back post for Kevin Nolan to complete his hat-trick, and West Ham are 2 goals ahead once again. What a day for Kevin Nolan, I believe that is the perfect hat-trick. Carroll's initial shot smashed off Diame. It fell very kindly to him though and he crossed it, and Nolan gets up brilliantly at the back post to head in, and West Ham once again look good value for the win. Griffiths plays it for Eden wide left. Eden left side of the area. Drill across in. Adrian parries it but against Arnold, and it's in the back of the net. This is incredible. It's 4-3 now, and surely we're not going to see FMFC get anything out of this game, are we? Almira plays it in field in towards Nocerino, who turns away about by from Robertson. Nocerino plays it into the area to Borriello, who touches it for Diarra, who finds the corner, and that surely now will finish off for good. FMFC's challenging this match. The substitute Diarra scores to make it 5-3.